It's Lord Jack Gaming here. Today we're not going to be doing a gaming video. We're going to be eating some German lollies that I got for my birthday. My birthday was back, but I got them today from Germany.
Look, we're gonna see what they taste like.
Eat one of these first.
One of those ones. Okay, what flavour did you get? These ones.
Strawberry.
I'm kind of scared. Good. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Sour. Just in case something is very bad, we got a drink. Yeah. Oh.
Okay, that's better.
I'm not sure if you guys have tasted Zappos before, but they taste like a grape Zappo with like vomit puked all over it.
Just give us a sec. Okay, we're going to move on to the next lolly.
I've got yours.
We're going to move on to these ones. These will hopefully taste good. Oh, they're all melted in the packet.
Are they Coke flavour?
Yeah, see, they're all like this because of water damage. It's been raining here a lot.
I had to chuck that out. Dude, I do not recommend these fruity sticks that are strawberry. I think we tried the yellow ones, didn't we, before? Oh my god, it's all melted inside.
I know. Water damage, boys. I mean, girls.
Oh.
Boys and girls. That's okay, actually. Pretty sour.
It's good.
Here, now we're going to try these ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It has to be strawberry again.
They're all melted.
Well, each time we eat a lolly, we're going to give a rating. For these ones, the fruity sticks, we're going to give, what do you think?
I give 4 out of 10.
I give a 3, so add that up.
7 out of 20.
The least one that they give you is going to be what it counted like. So 3, we gave that one.
I give the raspberry ones 9.
A 9, really? I haven't even opened it. It's all melted. Let me just take a bite.
I'm going to eat wrapper. Save time.
It's alright.
They're pretty good.
We're going to take some bites. I'd recommend those. I would give them about an 8, yeah.
Now we're going to eat these chew.
True, yeah. Oh, I'm guessing they're going to be like the fruity sticks, but really small.
And stubble. I want to eat them quickly so this video doesn't take so long. That's actually good.
They are. They do not taste like the fruity sticks at all. Right, here comes the aftertaste. Look.
Bye, Dawson.
Stick with Mars bars, kids. Okay, I'm back.
Now we're going to try these
Pinballs. Oh, I've got one of mine here.
Yeah, just scoff them down.
Or 3.
Yeah, I'm going to try
I think we tried these ones before, didn't we?
Yeah. They taste a little bit like Mentos, but more sour.
I'm not sure if you... Okay, very appley.
Yeah, I had the apple one as well.
Oh. I recommend these.
Yeah, definitely.
10 out of 10.
Or Coke, yeah, 10 out of 10 definitely.
Good? Where's the Coke?
What should we
Try
try?
the orange one while I'm eating the Coke. Oh yeah, Coke, definitely. The outside is a Mentos and the inside has like this sugar. Mm.
Don't try 3 at once. Now we're gonna eat these strips of appleness.
Haha, I get Coke.
Where's the Coke one? There's no more Coke.
See, I'm the best.
Around, never gonna ever bring me down. Okay, these ones aren't water damaged.
Oh, my one is.
Oh, my jaw.
Mine is just like stuck. Little bite. Not a bite. You know what they taste like? This. Exactly like them, just in a stick. You want it? Have a try on the Coke. I took this little bit bite. It's very sticky though. Why is it sticky?
Water damage.
Hey, no, it might not be that. Okay, so these are the ones that. Oh, there's 2 raspberry ones right here. You want to try them?
Well,
Oh, not those. Are they water damaged?
don't think so. They're not squishy. Oh, they're pretty squishy.
We had a very big storm and this was sent in the post for us. Oh my god. It was bad.
They're okay.
Ugh. I don't like the orange ones.
Alright.
I give it a 5. I wouldn't rate it.
7. Because I ate the stuff.
So Jack obviously rates it a 7, so that's what we're going to go with. Okay, so we'll go through the ones that we have top rated. Okay. Oh, what? Oh,
Strawberry.
I don't want to try it.
Eat it now.
No, we've already tried these ones.
No, we haven't. Strawberry. Oh wait, you don't like them.
Okay. You want a rest? That was gross, but okay. They're okay.
Alright. 8. 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I give it about an 8 as well. They're okay. Okay, so these are the top rated ones that we have done.
No.
Not yet.
Wait, no, we'll do it after. Okay.
Okay, these are the top rated ones that we like. Pinballs. We're gonna
These raspberry ones.
raspberry ones.
Homework.
And these ones. The Coke little things. Oh, and we liked these ones.
Yeah.
2 more that we have to eat, and then we are finished. At the back, it says Die Smurfs. Okay. Oh, that's stale.
Not squishy.
I'm not sure if they're meant to be like this. Okay, as you can see, oh. Jelly bean. They're good.
Try 2 at once. Oh, there's different sorts. So there's like a red one,
I grabbed a red one.
a red one, a yellow one, and a white one.
The red one's alright.
Try these.
I'll give it at least 10 out of 10. Oh,
Oh, there's some jelly beans.
yeah, that's what I said.
White jelly bean. But with blue.
These Coke bottles are good. I don't believe you can get these over here.
I don't think you can.
But you can get Coke bottles, but they
Yeah.
don't taste like this.
They're good.
Okay. Coke bottles are 20 out of 10.
I rate a million out of a million. So yeah, that wraps it up. Be sure to check out Deadeye Gaming. Deadeye plays games, I should say. And make sure to eat Coke bottles.
Yeah.
But not the glass ones, because I'll kill you.
Yeah, no, probably. Maybe. Let's try it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah.
Hope you guys like this video. We're trying out German candy. And don't forget to check out my channel and our friend Talk Matters. That will be in the description down below. And 10 likes for Smurfs.
And 20 more likes for Coke bottles.
Coke bottles, yeah. See ya.
So yeah, peace out.